Hey everyone, it's me Melody. So I have a really quick Amazon haul I'm gonna show. So I got some vegan cheddar squares for me, black tea. Then I got this ginger turmeric lemon tea, peach tea, lemon ginger tea. I got me 2 things of the Happy Cola gummies, some flaxseed. And then I got me some sour gummy bears, some Airhead Extremes for my kids, mint Oreos, and then I got these sour bright collars, sweet tart ropes, some Airheads, and then I got this super moist strawberry cake, 2 things of the Texas toast cheese and garlic croutons, some white chocolate chips. I got this whipped vanilla frosting, and I got 3 things of the X large, or 4 of the Hershey's milk chocolate. Thanks for watching. Bye.